fam, that's what they call me.
Hello again everybody, it's Jesse Ladner here, and welcome back to another unboxing video. This time we will be unboxing the RedDragon Gaming Essentials Keyboard Mouse 2-in-1 set. And it says here it's high speed, high control, and high response. On the last unboxing video I did, we unboxed the Turtle Beach P11 headset. Now for those who don't know, of course I had a Turtle Beach P11 headset that I had since 5 years ago, but apparently I lost audio to it a few weeks back. But luckily, I found the same exact headset, even though it's a discontinued model. I found the same exact one on Amazon. And I tell you what, I thought this was not going to make it out the box, because I looked at around the wires at the headset, they were bent, but it worked. Of course, I'll leave Amazon links in the description for that, and for this as well. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and unbox this. So if y'all want to go check out that unboxing, I know it was almost a half-hour video, and I apologize. Go to my channel and find the previous video of this video right now. So we will go. Let's get started on this unboxing now. Of course, I gotta be careful not to expose my address and stuff, because apparently they labeled the sticker on the back of this. Oh, and this is tells you with all the features. Gaming keyboard with 22 multimedia keys and all this Spanish stuff. It's got a backlight on it. Let's see about the mouse. 3200 DPI, 6 buttons. Oh my, 6 buttons. Can you believe that? So that's pretty much it. Y'all can just pause and read all that. I'll show it to you one more time and you can just pause and read it. Of course, it tells you. The reason why my hand here is because of barcodes and stuff. System support, Windows XP. This works on Windows XP and Vista. Wow. Okay. Even though, so it works on XP, Vista, and 7 and 8. All that, the rest of that's pretty much in its support, except for 10. I'll tell you that. Now, because, well, 8, the reason why Windows 8's being in its support, because they came out with 8.1, which makes sense. So all those Windows operating systems have in its supports, except for Windows 10. But it will still work, and I'm actually surprised it says it works on Windows XP and Vista, because this looks like a newer keyboard. I'm actually surprised that it'll even work on that. It's unbelievable to me. But anyways, let's cut this. I might not need scissors, but just bear with me here. I have no my tripod does not work for this phone. I have one, but it don't work for this particular phone. It would if I had my Samsung Galaxy Note 8, but this is a Galaxy Note 10 Plus that I have nowadays. So let's see here. We're gonna open this up. What? Oh, I guess I just pull this. Let's see. Maybe this pulls right out, I believe. Come on. What in the... Okay, I got stuff falling out. Where did that thing just... Oh, there it is. Something... What is this now? Must be the... operating... It's operating instructions. And... Whoa! Hello! And is that everything out of there? It is. That's everything out. As Malibu over there is trying to mess with stuff. She ain't supposed to. Just kidding. I mean, not my cat anyways, my sister's. But, there it is. Looks pretty. Are you serious? That's the first time she got on my desk. She usually just sleeps in that box right there. Hold on. Had to get her down. Sorry, I didn't feel comfortable with her being on my desk. And of course, she does that scratching thing. I know I missed it on video, but she does that scratching thing. Anyways, let's get back to the main topic. I get easily sidetracked with my autism and ADHD, y'all. It's no joke. Let's see. Look at this. It's even got the mouse has actually got a different USB cable. Look at that. It's got a different type of cable. See, bent wires. That's why. See, that's why I don't like about it. Bent wires. That's probably why it's not even lasting long. Why some of these devices ain't lasting long, because of bent wires. Yeah, here's the keyboard itself. Not bad. It's got it sets on about, yeah, it's got that. And here's the model for the keyboard. It's a S1013. I think you saw the model number, but I'll show it to you. Oh, it's actually the same. Okay. Okay, so both of these are the same models. There's the side buttons. It said there were 6 of them. Oh, there's 1, 2, that's 3, 4, 5, 6. I remember one of my old mouse, I think it was an On brand, it had these side buttons as well. And it has, what is that? What is this thing here? Open and close. Is that for some kind of battery operation or something? Or that might be just... I'll just leave that alone. And it's got some plastic, of course, I need to peel off here. Okay, I guess that one peeled off already. I don't feel... Make sure there's nothing... Anything plastic, of course. There's, I think, one. Well... I mean, if I can't get the plastic to peel off, I'll just wait until it wears down, and maybe I can... Oh. There it goes, I got it. It's up here. Give me just bear with me here. There we go, that's one down. If I miss peeling some plastics off, just... Well, I think that was it. Yeah, I think that's all the plastic on there. Of course, if there is some that I missed, it will eventually wear off. I don't know what this open-close thing is, but I'm going to just leave it alone. Now, in the meantime, let's go ahead and, you know what, I'll wait and, you know what? I was going to wait and undo these. Let me, undo these two real quick, and I'll be right back. Gosh, by taking these things off, I keep getting afraid I'm going to break a wire every time when I unstrap these. It's so aggravating, I tell you. I don't know why they make things like that, but I keep thinking a wire is going to break or snap. Anyways, let's go ahead and bring these two in the office now, and we'll get it all hooked up. Okay, well that's great. Apparently, I might have just broke the mouse now as I'm trying to come in here and turn the office light back on. That's not a good start, isn't it? I might have just broke this by now. I'm telling you, I didn't drop the keyboard though, but I definitely dropped. I know the mouse fell floor first whenever I tried to turn the office light back on. Well, because I'm trying to carry my phone with me as well, which I'm being stupid apparently. And not being smart enough. Anyways, this is the other keyboard and mouse set that I have. It's a wireless, and it's a all-in-one USB port, of course. So the reason why I'm getting this is because I explained it on my last previous video. The right control key, it's not sticking now, but it's actually sticking, and it just wasn't getting good reception whenever I had the computer. The mouse and keyboard, as that microphone's just trying to wobble there. The reason why I'm getting is I think it's just not getting good reception. I've had so much frustration with it whenever I didn't have it close to each other. I already broke one of the stands for it, as well as the battery cover. The mouse, however, Oops, I forgot to shut that off as well. Let me do that. The mouse, however, as I was saying, is actually working okay. There's nothing wrong with the mouse yet, so that's good news. But I'm going to go ahead and try to hook the gaming mouse and keyboard. Let's hope and pray I didn't break the mouse as it fell floor first. Because y'all didn't get to see that because I had the video paused. So we'll just, let's see, let's unplug this. And I'll just set that out the way. I think I'm going to hook, well, wait a minute. I'm going to have to do something here because apparently, yeah, there's only one enough. I'm going to have to hook one of these two up in the front because there's only enough room for one USB port. So I'm going to have to see. I'm going to have to do some work here and decide what I'm going to do. Maybe I could run the SATA IDE USB cable up here. Because I don't want to hook. I don't really want to chance on hooking anything else in the front that somebody will just come in here and just trip over it. All right, let me think what I'm going to do here, and I'll come back with y'all in just a moment. All right, everybody. Well, it's pretty much all almost set and ready to be hooked up. I'm going to start off with the mouse first because I really want to see if they'll even still work after it was accidentally dropped one time. Let me just hold on a second here. Let me oh, wait. I just have to put this back in. This is just I had to pull the paper out because I had to run a wire underneath the desk. They'll just have to move this monitor if they got to print something is all. Alright, it looks, I think it's a little bit up too close. Don't y'all think? Maybe not. The mouse pad, of course, I'll keep. But let's go ahead and start off with the mouse. And let's hope and pray nothing broke. So what I did was I moved the USB cable for the SATA IDE adapter up front. And I better get this mic out the way before that falls down and breaks as well. I really want to, let's see here. What is this? Oh, that's for the power chooch coming from my EPC unit. I think what I'll do is I'll unplug that. You see the battery icon goes away. But if I just plug it up down here instead, and it should. Yes, it does. The battery icon's back. That's like I said, it's the power chooch coming from the APC unit. Now let's hook the mouse and keyboard now. How many? That's two left. So I'll have one. So after I hook these two up, I'm gonna have one available port left in the front. So let's see how it goes. Oh, we got something. We got lights. Now, of course, after I hook both of these up, I'm gonna run it. And it's getting response, so that's good. At least it's got some response. The sensitivity feels like it needs to be increased. Definitely, because... And I'm surprised it still works after I accidentally dropped it. That was all my fault. But I'm going to run it through the driver pack CD that I have. And that's all working like it should. Now let's hook up the keyboard and see how it does. Here comes the key. Do I have it? No, I have it upside down. Now that's hooked up, and oh my, look at that. I'll be darned. This is going to be really awesome. Especially my nephew is definitely going to love this. Now, like I said, the mouse sensitivity feels like it needs a little bit of increase. Definitely needs some increase. But let's go to, the sensitivity just feels way off. Probably, I don't know if it's because I accidentally dropped it once, but let's go to, let's see if there's any driver updates. If it'll guarantee you there are going to be some. Yeah, this sensitivity is just way off. What? Hello? I guess they're... That's weird. It should be showing more devices than... Alright, let me reboot my computer here, and I'll come back. And of course, it's rebooting now. But I kind of like this, you know. But I definitely, when this reboots, I'm going to have to see something about this mouse sensitivity. I guarantee you maybe something probably messed up by the time it was dropped on accident. I mean, this mouse sensitivity was better, so I'll have to probably see if there's a way I can increase the sensitivity. Oh, that was a CD drive. I was wondering what that clunk was. Oh, I did not mean to... It vibrated as soon as I hit the space bar. That's a weird... That's weird. Yeah, this is... Alright, yeah, that sensitivity is just not cutting it. But the mouse seems to be working so far. I thought it was because of the fact that it was accidentally dropped once as I was bringing it in the office. But let me open this one more time and see. Because this should be showing more devices than that, and I don't understand. We'll do auto drivers, and if it doesn't, then we'll just eject this, and you know, we'll just eject it if nothing else pops up. Alright, so I guess it doesn't need any updates, which is weird. Well, it might not need any. Where am I doing? Let's go to the device manager if we can search that up real quick. There we go. We'll do DEV for device manager. Of course. Let's just update it and see. I doubt it needs it though, but I'll just run through it just in case. And there's 4 different keyboards. I don't know which one to update. It might not need an update. It might need one. Who knows? I'll be right back once this is done because it's going to take forever. Well, of course, by the time I pause and set my phone down. Alright, so it might not need updating. I'll probably update those off video to see if they even need it. I'm going to exit OneDrive. I guess there's no software you can get for, like, you know. But I gotta see how to increase this mouse sensitivity. No. Wait. Does control panel have something like... I do not like the settings on Windows 10, did it? Yeah, see? That's why I like using control panel more, and a lot of those don't even know that this exists on Windows 10. But why is this... I'm telling you, I think after I accidentally dropped it, it's probably not even fast enough. And this is really, I don't know. Because you see how it's not moving as fast. I really wish it could be a little bit faster than that. And this one would probably move as like it's nothing. So, I think the mouse, maybe, this is supposed to be for gaming related, but I don't think, unless, like I said, because I accidentally dropped it, which I'm not meaning to keep on bringing that up. Double click speed, I have that up all the way, and I just feel like it's not, you see, it just feels like it's not, let me put it the wide range here. It just feels like it's not fast enough. And if it's because I accidentally dropped it, then Oh well. If I don't use this mouse more often, I might just use the keyboard more often. But the keyboard, let's see if how that does. Because the mouse, I'm kind of not happy about the mouse. I'm kind of not happy. Keyboard seems to be working okay. Kind of feel the. I'll just have to do some more reviews off video, of course, on how I enjoy it. But the mouse, I'm just not kind of happy with right now. Because I have that mouse sensitivity up all the way, and it's not even fast. It's not even that fast. Like, why? So the mouse, I can't give rating. I think I'm going to give the mouse a lower rating than the keyboard. Unless if it, like I said, unless if it was my fault for accidentally dropping the mouse and messing something up. But like I said, I might just use this mouse more. Because let me show you. Let me see. Let's hook the other USB port back up. Now, of course, it's going to be a handful. Let's hook that back up, and I'll show you a difference, what I'm talking about. Let's turn this back on. Now, I have the speed up out of the way. You see, this one moves. Hold on, put it back to wide range. Even though with the sensitivity up all the way, check this out. This one moves like it's nothing. But this, I just say the sensitivity is a bit off than the Logitech. But this one, going back to the Logitech, yeah, see, it moves a lot quicker than. So I might not use the mouse, but it's got the 6 button on it, which I like about the 6 button, but I'm not satisfied with the sensitivity on how it moves. So that's all I can say. The sensitivity on this mouse may not be the best on like your wireless mouse. So that's got this, like I said, this one's got way better sensitivity. I'll even I'll even move it slowly so y'all know what I'm talking about. Maybe y'all can compare it. So I'll start off with the Logitech. You see I'm barely even moving it. I mean, except a little. Now here's the RedDragon. I mean, it might be about the same. Maybe I'm just overreacting a little bit. It's probably just me overreacting. But I think this one's going to have a little bit more higher sensitivity than the RedDragon. I'll just decide from there. But if the sensitivity's a bit off now, it's because I'm about tired of saying it. You already know what I'm about to say because it was accidentally dropped. You already know what I'm about to say. Not meaning to keep repeating it. Blame my disability on that for that. Autism and ADHD. Now I can't even speak. The right clicker was a bit weird. I don't even know if this thing's even got a warranty on it or not. I didn't pay attention to it. Because if that's the case, I might just might have to send, well, it doesn't matter because I have to send both of these back too. I could have got a mouse replacement, being that it was accidentally dropped. But I mean, it works. I just feel like I messed up the sensitivity after it being dropped. Oh wait. Turn that, let me turn the switch off for that. Let's turn it. Oh, I thought it went dead for a second. Yes, this one's just not getting enough sensitivity on it. So I might not use this mouse much. I'll just have to, like I said, I'll have to see from there, but I might not use that mouse as much. I might continue to use this. We'll just see from there, but I'll just show you the keyboard one more time, how it's changing colors. And of course it's got, wait, Wait a minute. Windows lock. Since when the heck they had a window... Hold on. Since when the heck did they have a Windows lock? Lock. There's no light for scroll lock? Like the heck? Win lock. Well, how do you... I don't know. It says something about a win lock and when it should be a scroll lock and there's not. And that's kind of weird. And of course it has an optional for brightness adjustment, but being that I'm not on a laptop, I'm not on a laptop, so that's not going to work anyway. And I don't know what that is. If that's something probably for the monitor. Probably just some optional stuff, but again, being that I'm not on a laptop, that's not going to matter for the brightness, especially for the brightness. Of course, you got all the function keys. You got email, all that, even though you have emails up here and whatnot. I think that button, if I remember, yeah, opens File Explorer. See, I was trying to scroll to the X, and it wasn't even fast enough, and it hit the restore. I'm not really satisfied about this, so... But if y'all still want to order this on Amazon, I'll put an Amazon link. I'm not really satisfied with this much. Especially the mouse, how the sensitivity's turned way down. Even, I mean, not turned down, I'm sorry. Even though the sensitivity's way off. I mean, I'll show you one more time if I type in CON and go to control panel here. Because this pointer speed is up all the way. And, you know, that's up all the way. And if it's up all the way, it just feels like it's not fast enough. The keyboard, I give it a fair rating. The mouse, probably just bought this for nothing now. Probably could have just got another wireless mouse and keyboard. I wasn't expecting my happiness to be a little bit off, but it's decent enough. I'm really not too happy with it, but otherwise it's decent enough. Alright everybody, I don't want to record too much longer here. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it off here. Hope y'all enjoyed it. And if y'all have any questions, comments, comment down below. And I'm sorry for all the mass confusion and whatnot, so, you know. But anyways, hope y'all enjoyed it. Hit like, subscribe, comment down below what you think. And make sure y'all have the bell tapped so that way you'll know every video is posted. And we'll see you next time.